What if half of humanity is quietly disappearing? Not tomorrow, not in a century, but right now, inside our DNA. This is not science fiction. This is a real biological debate unfolding inside the human genome. The Y chromosome is the genetic switch that determines male biological sex in humans. Unlike other chromosomes, the Y is small, fragile, and carries far fewer genes. Over millions of years, scientists have observed a clear pattern. The Y chromosome has been shrinking. Early in human evolution, the Y chromosome contained hundreds of active genes. Today, it holds fewer than 50. This gradual loss has led some geneticists to raise a serious question. Is the Y chromosome slowly fading away? Research suggests that the Y chromosome does not recombine like most chromosomes, meaning it lacks a natural repair mechanism. Errors accumulate, genes are lost, and evolution does not always replace what disappears. However, this does not mean men are about to vanish. Other scientists argue that the Y chromosome has stabilized and developed backup systems to protect its most critical genes. In short, the debate is ongoing and the science is not settled. What makes this topic important is not fear, but understanding. The Y chromosome offers a rare window into how evolution works in real time, how biology adapts, and how fragile the systems behind human life truly are. This channel exists to explore the science behind the headlines, calmly, critically, and without exaggeration. This was just the beginning. Thank you for watching. Next video.